I gotta get this on camera.
Yes, you better.
On video.
Look at him.
Look at him.
We're stuck. We're stuck.
We're stuck in the moss.
He's a monster.
It's gonna be bigger than yours.
Oh yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Help, 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 I am.
Here, can you bring it in before my video runs out?
He can't hold it up.
It's too big.
Yeah. It keeps flipping around. We're gonna keep it.
Hey, let me get that leash off you.
Okay. Can you go around?
But it was just the other day was his first bass he's ever caught. Because you don't have any bass in the pond at home.
Hang on, Jake.
Going
Better not let it go. Don't be
I'm gonna flip it back in when I
Oh God, we lost him.
He's heartbroken.
Hey, Dalt, can you come help your brother?
I'm a little busy with 2 fishing poles. Yeah, he can.
Got him on that frog. Don't worry, it only goes down.
I'm gonna fall in.
Oh wow.
Look at that!
Okay.
Look
Mom,
at that
I'm gonna
monster.
throw the line to you.
No, I'm doing video
No,
right
it's
now.
going to right.
Honey, you gotta turn it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah. I'm gonna throw this to you.
Honey, you gotta get closer.
We should,
Oh my gosh.
Here, you're fine.
Okay, now I want you to pull our boat over there.
You can
Here.
hang on to that.
Take the line.
I got it.
I can't cycle. You ready to put him?
Yeah, probably.
We're gonna take him home in that one bucket.
No. I thought.
Why can't we take him in that one? Why
That
this
is-
is the biggest fish I ever caught.
Look at the camera and hold
Oh my
on.
gosh! Ugh.
Settle down,
Stand up
Dad.
with him, Jake. Just hold your hand tight on him.
Okay, you can pull us back there and.
Whoa.
Ow!
Oh, thanks. Put it in the water.
Ew.
I can't
There
pull
you
it
go.
now.
Whoa!
Honey, hold
Let
on.
me get him out of the water.
Wait a minute.
Here, throw him over there.
Here, we need to get
no,
that.
you don't want to do that.
Don't yet. Let me get
I'm
that
gonna
rope.
get out of the way. You get it.
Oh, there's blood behind it. Oh.
Yeah, don't throw the rope back in the water.